Hi, my name is Stephanie Wills, and this is Parent Rights presentation for Russell Child Development Center. What are parent rights or procedural safeguards? Parent rights go back as far as 1925, giving parents the right and obligation to direct the upbringing of their children. Parent rights are also procedures that schools must use when evaluating eligibility for special education services. They're used for developing or changing a child's IEP or when attempting to resolve serious disputes regarding special education services and issues. Parent rights may also include receiving information in a timely manner, receiving information that explains curriculum and teaching methods, being actively involved, having your child learn in an environment free from harm, being seen as the child's first teacher, giving information about funding, being able to advocate for a child, having access to the child's teacher and school, having a process for solving problems, and having access to services that will help the child. Who is considered a parent? A parent is a natural biological parent, an adoptive parent, a person acting as a parent, a legal guardian, an officially appointed educational advocate, or a foster parent if the foster parent has been appointed the educational advocate. When are parents' rights given to parents? They are given to parents at least one time a year upon referral, first formal complaint or due process, upon disciplinary removal, and upon parent request. Prior written notice must also be provided within a reasonable amount of time. This needs to be provided when school proposes any changes that could be identification, evaluation, or educational placement changes or provisions. Parent consent is needed for initial evaluation, reevaluation, provisions in the IFSP, making changes, making material changes, adding services, or evaluations or services in private schools. In Kansas, students from the age of 18 to 21 become their own educational decision makers. And remember that you can always ask your supervisor if you have questions and refer back to the Kansas State Department of Education for a resource. And here are the references for my presentation. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.